That's Mike from Custom Cruise. You got a Sena intercom, you got a Harley Davidson. Okay, we've got an amazing system here, which I think now is discontinued, but we have still got a couple of these things left. Beautiful bit of kit. We've got a 20S, your standard Sena intercom, pick them up second hand or new. Okay, I use the camera one personally, which is amazing. Also Bluetooth camera, but this particular item interfaces perfectly with the Harley Audio CB. So you get this to plug into your Harley. This will plug into this, which is obviously your clamp unit, complete with a microphone. Okay, you also get, if you got a full face helmet, you get a spare mic as well. So this will come out and you can obviously fit this, you know, for a full face helmet. This is a stick-on clamp, which personally I prefer, rather than the clamp-on, which obviously you do get with it. So I actually prefer that personally, but it's your choice. These are your stick-in pads for your earphones. These are your covers for your speakers, okay, to go on here. You know, beautiful speakers, very good quality. And here are more, you know, different bits. These are muffs to go over here, and these are spacers. Okay, this is another part which, again, this will work with the contacts built in. Okay, and here's your mic, spare mic socks. Okay, so you've got loads of stuff, enough to keep you going for years. As it says here, it doesn't include the main module, obviously, otherwise it'd be a lot more money, it'd be another 150 quid. But this particular item, basically glued surface adapter, universal clamp, which is this bit, you know, clamp a cover, okay, your audio lead, excuse me, and your full face microphone as well. So if you're interested in some great Sena products, give us a call, 01773835666. These are very hard to get hold of. We have still got a couple left because I bought them for myself, so they are really my spares. But quality wise, this will interface completely with the Harley Davidson system and give you a Bluetooth intercom as well via the Sena, so the whole lot will work together, which is awesome. Unfortunately not made anymore, I don't believe, or if they are, they'd be crazy money. These are on offer at the moment, I believe 115, worth something like 170 quid years ago. But works with a Sena 20S. I've got the 20C or 10C camera as well. Interested? 01773835666. Customcruisers.eu has got them. Customcruisers.com, not sure if they're actually on there yet. Bye now. Thank you. Stay safe.